Hello everyone. Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 74 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is System Verilog. The topic for today is SVA, which stands for System Verilog Assertions. I have already started a series on System Verilog Assertions which is uploaded in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. There is an introduction video and a lot of other videos on System Verilog assertions are going to come soon. We are going to cover this topic in detail. So you can go through that series as well and then solve these questions. Let's see what are today's question. The first question is very basic. What is assertion? And then why do we use assertion? Assertions have different types. You need to describe what are different types of assertions. I have created a detailed video on regions in System Verilog. A timestamp is divided into different regions in System Verilog. A detailed video is present on Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel, System Verilog Essential series. In that, we had discussed where do assertions get evaluated. So the question asks in which event region the concurrent assertions will be evaluated. You can go through that video in detail, you will get the answer there itself. Again, I'll tell you the video is uploaded in System Verilog Essential series. There is a video on System Verilog regions. It is uploaded on Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. The next question is in System Verilog assertions, we have the concept of property. What is this property in System Verilog assertions? What are advantages of using assertions? What is immediate assertions? I told you assertions can be of different type. Here I am asking you to describe immediate assertion in detail. And I will expect you to create a coding example of this immediate assertion and explain. What are the main components in concurrent assertion? There is immediate assertion, there is concurrent assertion. In concurrent assertion, you should have some components which are mandatory. What are those components? Again, explain it with the help of coding example. Then you need to explain the difference between concurrent and immediate assertion. Then write an assertion which will check when ready signal is 1, the grant signal should be asserted within 7 clock cycles. And if the grant signal is not asserted in 7 clock cycles, you need to display the failure message. A ready signal should be 1. As soon as the ready signal is 1, grant should be asserted within 7 clock cycles. Anytime within 7 clock cycles. If not, display the error message. What is the syntax for this delay in assertion sequence? What is the difference between posage and rows? @posage and $rows. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I'll see you for day 75 challenge. Best